In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create the ATS-friendly resume. Most of the time, what happens is many students make their resume using the Canva, but unfortunately, their resume won't get selected due to the ATS less score. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step guide to how to create a high ATS score resume. Before that, I would like to display the Canva resume, that how it works and how it is not ATS friendly. So first for that, I first upload the ATS unfriendly resume that is created from the Canva. So for that, I'll upload the resume, and here from the upload section, I click on any of the resume that I have created using the Canva, and let's see the ATS score of that. So this one is that resume, and let's see the ATS score. So let's analyze the ATS score. Okay, as you can see here, the ATS score of this resume is only 20%. Only 20%. As you can see here, the resume looks so standard, right? But the ATS score is only 20%. Means that this resume will not get selected in the first round itself, and it will get rejected in first round itself. So now I'm going to show you the ATS friendly resume which has the score of 97%. So for that, I would like to go back once again. Yep, again I'll go in the dashboard section and upload the resume. You can see the resume rate is only 20%. Now I'd like to upload that. Yeah, this one is that resume, and I upload that resume. Let me upload. Okay, so let it prepare the resume. Yeah, you can see here the ATS score is 97%, and the resume is very simple. As you can see here, it's just a black and white, right? But the overall gain is how much? 97%. So this resume has the high chance of getting selected or bypass the ATS machine. So you should create the resume like this. So in this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can create the resume in such a way that you can gain a maximum ATS score. Without wasting the time, let's continue. So first of all, we'll click on the new project and just click on the blank project. Name your project. In my case, I'll put Sayyid Ahmed and create it. Okay, so it will load and it will open. So after that, you will paste this template. I will provide the template in the link. Okay, and the templates look something like this. This is the template of that 97 ATS score resume. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to type your name and all the details as it is. Don't change the format. If you change, means your ATS score will go. So line by line, I am going to type and show you that how we can gain a 97% of the score. So let's click on this. This is not directly editable. Okay, so you have to write your name here. So in my case, my name is Sayyid Ahmed. You can write your name, and it's saying phone number. We'll be writing any random phone number of 10 digit plus 91 and any random phone number. And after that, location I'm mentioning here as a Bangalore. Okay, country name India. Okay, I will also be sharing you few steps that is necessary while writing the high ATS score resume. For example, you should mention the start and end date of every, whether you do projects, whether you have experience, whether you did education, you should mention the start and end date of every. Okay, and the next thing is that, for example, if this experience has the 2 points, right? So the next that company name should also have a 2 points only. It's not like you mention 2 points above and you mention 3 points above. You should manage that thing. Okay, look here is also 2 points, here is also 2 points, here is also 2 points, right? That's how it looks perfect. And the next thing is, let's continue here, and this email address. So just remove this and write here okay, write here as Sayyid Khan 207 and gmail.com. Similarly, LinkedIn, you will put your LinkedIn profile name here like Sayyid Khan 207. Similarly, your GitHub profile, if you have any, then just put your GitHub provide here that 107. And if you have portfolio, then you can put a portfolio also. I have, but I didn't link here. And you have a GPA degree. Which degree? Then you can write here bachelor in computer science. Okay, CGPA how much? You can write the CGPA here 8.55 or whatever. Okay, so start date and end date you have to write. So start date will be like when, so you can write 2019, and end date is 2023. Okay, similarly you move downwards, university name, and then you write here video, city Bijapur, you can write country, you can write here India, right? For experience, I have done like embedded system intern, so you can mention it here because you all are fresher, right? So you should mention like this. And city, I have done it in Bangalore. Country, that is obviously India. Similarly, company name is like Technologics. Okay, and if you start date and end date you have to write, that is you should write a complete date. Okay, so it will be more valuable to you. So the starting date is March 2023, end date is like September 2023. You can write like this. For 6 months you have done internship, and what was your role, you have to write that also. So what was your role? So developed, okay, embedded system solutions for IoT devices. Okay, you can write here applications and reducing response time by, and you should mention this for sure, 15%. If you don't mention, means your ATS score will reduce. You should give some like numerical value so that it should look accurate. And increasing data accuracy by 20%, you can write like this. Okay, and after that here, and you should give a full stop also. And here you can write the next skill you have, panerd collaborative efforts between, you should write a high level English, okay, to get your resume to be shortlisted and has a high ATS score, to ensure seamless hardware solution, okay, leading to the successful deployment of 5. Look here, 5 is there, right? Why I'm telling you like this is you should not miss any point, that how should be done like that. Improved functionality and user experience for end customers. Okay, and after that you can move downwards. After that you have done any other internship? Yes, another internship on what? So it was on artificial intelligence intern. Okay, and where was the city? City was in Bangalore, and country was India itself. Company name is, you should mention the company name, that is, and any company name you can write. You can write Mindtree. Okay, and start date and end date you can mention here. So start date will be from March to May. So you can write March 2023 to May 2024. You can change the date also, like you should not collide the date. Okay, December 2023 and May 2024. So here like this you have made, right? So you scroll down. Now here you should write like this. What I'm showing you, I'm only showing you the format. Okay, that date should not be missed, that number should be there, developed should not come again, like here developed is there, right? So while you are writing again, you should not write developed another information like that. Instead of, you can write enhance or something different. Okay, so I remove this one, and here I'll write enhanced the accuracy of if you want me to write this, then I'll write for you HGCN. Okay, brain, and this is classification model. Look here also the percentage is there, that is 96%. Okay, with forward pass alpha model, right? And similarly models you should write. And here also you just delete this one, and what the next thing you have done here, you should write that created. Now look here, I could have written the developed also here, right? But I choose a created or something. I could have written the built also instead of this, right? Why I'm writing this, why didn't I write developed is because developed is already been used. If you write developed again, then your ATS score will be less. So created, what you have created, create a custom EEG and net deep learning. I will share you this resume. Okay, you can download it from the link given below. So networks to classify depression and analyze series into 3 classes. Why I'm showing you like this is because you should know exactly how the ATS score should be maximum, right? Otherwise you will feel like what is going on and how to create that. You still don't know. If you don't look properly, then nobody is there to guide you. Then how you will able to know that how to write the exact resume. Now in a project section, okay, this 2 projects I will write here first. This one project name is WhatsApp website, which I have already told you, right? This project I'm going to give you in a later video. I'll tell you about the project, and I will also mention you the link, and you can put the link here, project link here. Okay, so now I'm not going to share. I'm only going to share you about the resume. In later video I will share that also, don't worry. So after that you should mention some extra thing like Java is there, right? No, you should not put it here. Here you can use like technology used here. Which technology used? So obviously Java web socket, which technology is used to make that WhatsApp, you should mention that accordingly. In your project which technology is used, you should mention that also. So here the API, if you want me to build, then you can email me. Okay, I'll give you the email address also. You can email me there so that I can make you I can make a resume for you. Okay, and description link is here. So now here you should mention what the description about that. So about this project, so build a web base, that is a web base, right? So you should write a more description. It should look like a clone, so you should mention that with real time it is, right? So real time video calling functionality using web sockets and Google API, right? For the high ATS score, first thing is that you should give a link here. Look here, the LinkedIn link is there, right? As you can see here, that is pop-up link. Yeah, you should give a link for everything. You should not do like whatever you have mentioned that is not there. You should not do like that. You should mention the deployment link also here. Okay, there is a section, right? So you can mention the link. And look here, experience level is there. So while making this, you should keep in mind that you should mention the location as well as the dates, start as well as the end dates. And you should also mention the what we say, you should not do a duplication like developed here also, and you should not use like weak grammar. You should use a strong grammar while writing projects. You should tell a detail about that projects, what you have done, what was the effect of that projects, right? Similarly, while you are writing the projects can be 2 also, but while writing a bullet points, make sure that it is like if you are writing 2 bullet points, means in other projects also there should be 2 bullet points, right? You can mention the achievements in the same manner, like what achievements, like you have coding profile, right? In lead code, your ranking is like 2000 and you have solved around 170 DSA questions. These things are like accurate, right? And if you mention like this, means your ATS score will be more, then the machine will detect that this person has a is good, and your resume may be selected. So my friends, without wasting time, I have already told you, right? I'm going to review the actual code actual code. Yeah, my friend, now I'm going to paste that actual code over here. This one is the actual code. Okay, now you can see previously this title and all are missing, right? I have put the actual code over here, now when I recompile it, yeah, you can see here, and this is the 97 ATS score resume. Okay, now after that you just need this source code. Okay, you just need this source code, and after that you can make some changes keeping the things which I told you in this video. You just keep that things in your mind, and you can start building your projects. Resume, if you don't know how to build, still you are facing some issue, means you can tell me, I'll make a resume for you. Okay, thank you guys. If you like the video, like and subscribe, support me. I'm doing you like many things for you, right? These things you will not find in the internet, also YouTube also. You search there, nobody is going to teach you step by step that how to do that. They just verbally speaks. Okay, so support guys, that's what I want from you guys. Thanks.